In this video, we will be covering how to configure contacts on Akuvox door phones. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. First, we will add a contact group. Next, log into the device web interface by using the default username and password, admin. Under the Contact tab, select Contact List. Scroll down to Group Settings. Next, enter the desired group name in the name box. Then select the Add button. Next, scroll up to Contact Settings. In the Group box, you will see the group that was just created. Navigate to the Local Contacts list, where the new group will also be displayed. Next, we will start creating contacts. We will stay on the same page, but scroll down to Contact Settings. If you would like to add a profile photo for a specific contact, select the Select File button, which you will be able to upload a photo. Select Import to complete the upload. You can crop the profile photo to your specific needs. Select OK once completed. It is important to add a profile photo before adding the information in order for all information to be saved properly. In the Group box, select the desired group. If Hidden Contacts is selected, the specific contact will be hidden from the list. In the Priority of Call box, you have the ability to set up the order when calling the contact. This feature is only available when a self-created group is created. We will select firstly, for example, in the Dial Account box, select the registered SIP account to call. If both accounts are registered and Auto is selected, the call will be made by account 1 by default. This feature is available when the device is integrated with lift control devices. In the lift floor number box, if you select 5 and 6, then the visitors have access to floors 5 and 6 via the elevator. When finished, select Add. Now, on the door phone screen, press Contacts. To call the entire group, press the Group Call button. To call a single contact, select the group in which that contact resides, then select the desired contact to call. The indoor monitor will receive the call. You also have the ability to edit or delete contacts. On the device web interface, scroll down to Local Contacts list and select the drop-down list. You have the ability to display all contacts, hidden contacts, and contacts in other groups. Select the box of the desired contact. Next, scroll down to Contact Settings and modify the desired information. To delete a contact, select the box of the same contact, scroll down and select the Delete button. Next, we will cover how to add contacts in batches. To get started, scroll down to Import and Export Contacts. Select the Export button and then select CSV, for example. Decompress the downloaded file and then open the CSV file. Enter the contact information. Note that the name and phone number of each contact is required. When complete, save the file. Back on the device web interface, select the Select File button to successfully import the contacts. Lastly, we'll cover how to configure the display of contacts. In the Contacts List setting area, select the box that reads Show Akuvox Cloud Contacts to enable this feature. Also select the box that reads Show Contacts of Local Group, which are the contacts that were created locally. Next, select the sorting method. ASCII refers to ascending order of 0 to 9 and A to Z. In this function, numbers take precedence over letters. The room number method refers to sorting contacts by room number in ascending order. The import method refers to the order of the imported files. In the Call Type of Contact Group box, you have the ability to enable or disable group calling. The only single call option will provide a call icon under each contact. The only group call option will provide a call icon under each group. The steps to configure contacts for other door phones are the same, but the routes are different. Please refer to this official chart. Please note that contact display features are only applicable for door phones equipped with touch screens. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.